Hey science fans, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how you grew from a single tiny cell into the amazing person you are today? Or how life even gets started? The answer lies in two incredible but often confusing processes: mitosis and meiosis. Think of them as the ultimate cellular showdown, and today we're breaking it all down. First up in this corner, we have mitosis, the master of cloning. Imagine you get a paper cut. Your body needs to make new, identical skin cells to patch things up. That's where mitosis comes in. It's the process your body uses for growth and repair. One parent cell divides into two genetically identical daughter cells. It's like hitting copy-paste on your cells. This process involves one round of division, starting with a cell that has a full set of chromosomes and ending with two cells that also have a full set. Simple, efficient, and essential for keeping you in one piece. Now, let's bring in the challenger, meiosis, the specialist in diversity. This one is all about making the next generation. Unlike mitosis, meiosis isn't about making clones. Its goal is to create sex cells, sperm and eggs, with half the number of chromosomes as a normal body cell. Why half? So that when they combine, the new organism gets a full, unique set of genetic instructions. Meiosis is a two-part drama. It goes through two rounds of division, starting with one cell and ending with four genetically different cells. This genetic shuffling is why you read a unique mix of your parents and not a direct copy of either one. It's the engine of genetic variation. So, let's recap the big fight. Mitosis. One division, two identical daughter cells, full set of chromosomes used for growth and repair. Meiosis. Two divisions, four unique daughter cells, half set of chromosomes used for creating sex cells. Mitosis is about making more of the same, while meiosis is all about mixing it up for the future. Two different processes, one incredible story of life. It's pretty amazing how our cells know exactly which playbook to run, isn't it? I hope this cellular showdown cleared things up for you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more science adventures and ring that notification bell. Drop a comment below with what you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching and stay curious.